Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining this session. In this session, we are going to deploy the resources inside cloud training and default network, and we will see how they can talk to each other. Now, we are going to create a compute engine that will be deployed on this network. So if you're not aware about compute engine, that's just a way to deploy a virtual machine, and we will talk about virtual machine in coming section. So in this session, you just need to worry about the networking of your virtual machine. Here we go. I'm just creating my first instance, and I'm just going with a very basic hardware here, and the OS I want here is CentOS because that's my favorite OS. Let's go with CentOS 7. Here we go. Now the important part, the networking part, I want my instance 1 on the default network, so let's leave it like this. So it's already default selected, so let's create it. Now instance 1 is getting deployed inside a network, a default network. Let's create another instance. Here we go. Instance 2. Let's change to the same hardware requirement, F1 micro. Let's change the CentOS, the OS that we really want. Here we go. Let's select and the networking part. Now I want this machine inside a cloud training network, so let's change it. Here we go. A cloud training network. Let's also change the region of this machine. Let's go ahead and deploy inside a South America. Here we go. Now let's go ahead and click create. Now instance 2 is getting deployed inside a cloud training network. Now let's go ahead and create another instance, instance 3. Let's choose a different region now. Let's go with US East 1. Here we go. Now the basic hardware requirement, not this one. Let's go with F1 micro, and just let's change this the networking part this time. Here we go. I want this instance again in the cloud network, cloud training, sorry. Here we go. Now we have instance 1 on default network, instance 2 and instance 3 is inside a cloud training network. Now let's go ahead and SSH into this machine. Here we go. Let's connect. Now let's connect to instance 2. Here we go, instance 2. Yes, I want to connect. Let's connect to instance 3. Here we go. Let's copy, paste on the same tab. Here we go. Let's connect to instance 3. Yes, we are in the instance 1 at the moment. Instance 2 and instance 3 in the I'm just SSHing at the moment. It's still in progress, you can say. Let's wait for a few seconds. Here we go. I'm inside the instance 2 as well. Here we go. Now just SSH into all the machines. Instance 1, instance 2 and instance 3. Let me just zoom a little bit so you guys can see it. Here we go. Instance 1, instance 2 and instance 3. Let's check the networking configuration. So we have 10.142 IP range here. On instance 2 we have done 10.158 range, and on instance 1 we have done 10.128 range. So let me just try to ping the instance 3 from instance 2. Instance 2 and instance 3 are on the same network. So let's try to ping over a private network. And you can see here I'm successfully able to ping the instance 3 from instance 2. Let's go ahead and now try to ping the instance 2 from instance 3. Here we go. Let's ping instance 2. Here we go. You can see here I can ping instance 2 from instance 3. Now let's go ahead and try to ping the instance 1 from instance 2 and instance 3 and see. Here we go. Now you can see I'm not able to ping the machine. Let's try with the instance 3 as well. You can see here there's no response. Let me just cancel it here. And you can see here 100% packet loss. Let's see on the instance 3 as well. You can see 100% packet loss. Similarly, you can ping the instance 2 or 3 from instance 1 as well. Let's try to ping that. Here we go. You can see here 100% packet loss. So that's all for this video. In this session, we have learned like if you have resources inside a different network, they can't communicate with each other. If they are on the same network, they can communicate internally or over a private network. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.